how to turn on the on-screen, recent, home, and back navigation keys on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. After that, tap on interaction and dexterity. Then in here, tap on assistant menu. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Then tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. Now on the home screen or on any screen, doesn't matter where you are, you can tap on this assistant menu and this will open up your on-screen, recent, home, and back key. This will allow you to navigate back to the home screen, back to the previous screen, or open up the recent screens. And that's it. So here I can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. I can tap on the back key to go back to the previous page or the previous action. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.